I'm gonna tell y'all something. Most of y'all want to be wives, and y'all don't even understand all this stuff that comes with it. Like being a wife, that comes with a full-fledged job of a house full of dishes, having kids, house full of mess. That means walking around your home, cleaning your home, getting your home together, keeping your home together for your kids and for your man, for your husband. That means also cooking all day. It's a full-time job. Cooking all day, keeping these kids entertained. It's another full-time job to make sure yourself look good. Right now, I'm in mommy mode. Yes, I got on my t-shirt and my dang on my boxers and my freaking house shoes. I'm in mommy mode. I am walking around my house. I'm getting it together. I'm cleaning up. I'm about to start cooking because I got to make sure that food is prepared for my man when he get home. I got to do all of that. Y'all want the benefits of being a wife, but nobody want to work for it. You got to work for it, honey. You got to come with it. You a woman on top of that. Come on now. People ain't going to tell you this. Another thing that comes with being a good wife is even when you're tired, you still got to give up the damn yams. Tired and all, eyes, tired, fucking pregnant, no, you still got to give up the yams for your man because you don't want your man going to get the yams from somebody else, do you? Another thing that comes with being a wife is still honoring and loving your man even when your spouse is wrong. Even when us women know that our men be wrong, it's the fact that we still gotta love these through days. And I'm telling you, it is not easy. It's not easy. Like, a lot of people ain't gonna tell y'all all what comes with being a wife, but I'm gonna tell y'all because, listen, it's a full-time job. And if nobody told you, it is. Comes with doing laundry, y'all, too. Like, me being a wife and I got 3 kids, let me tell y'all, I wash either every Sunday or I wash damn near a few days out the week because you got kids, they make messes, they spill, so you get a little nasty, you mess with the sheets or the covers, you gotta keep it clean, okay? Like, listen, it's a full-time job. Then let's say you own your own business like me. You gotta find time to homeschool your kids. Then you gotta find time to still cook. You gotta still find time to keep these babies entertained. Then you gotta find time to make time for your self-employed business. Then you gotta find time to promote. Then you gotta find time to get on your social media platforms. You gotta find time to just do all of these things in one day. But it can be done. It can be done. You just gotta get it done. You also gotta be your spouse's backbone, your spouse's strength. You also gotta pray for your spouse. Like when your spouse is down or your spouse is feeling weak, you gotta be there to pick your spouse up, to give your spouse that strength when your spouse needs it. Speak life into your spouse. Pray for your spouse. Manifesting things into your life. Being equally yoked. It comes with a lot of stuff. It's not just, oh, Netflix and chill and all just all day. It's not that. Like literally. If y'all thought that, honey, you got a lot to learn, baby.